First, add a black background and drag it for 10 seconds. Then, add text. After adding the text, select a bold font. Select the text and resize and adjust it. Now, change the color of the text. I think yellow would be best for this. Then, export the text. Next, create a new project and import the video you want to display with the text. Click on Overlay and then add Overlay. Now, import the text video you just exported. Split and delete any extra scenes. Select the text and adjust it with the frame. Drag the toolbar and click on Remove Background, then click on Chroma Key and use the color picker to select the text color. Adjust the intensity to 35% and the shadow to 50%. Select the text and drag the timeline a bit forward. Add a keyframe to the text. Drag the timeline to where you want the scene to fully appear, and add another keyframe. While on this keyframe, zoom in on any letter of the text. Finally, export the video. This is your final result.